Okay, got my first order complete. I had a friend that is in a fishing club. I guess they're called the casting squad, and he sent me a photo, said if I can make a trophy, and that's what he sent me. And I told him, let me think about it, let me see what I can come up with. So I started converting it over to something to do on the laser engraver and CNC carver. Well, this is what I came up with, and I've got basically first, second, and third place, and then he wanted one for the big bass. So I've got 4 trophies, and because the fish is basically being caught, I figured it looked good with it the base where it's coming out of the water. So there we go. And the trophies are front and back, what you see there, opposite. Says the same thing, just in reverse order. They're going to have a fishing tournament coming up, I believe this is coming Saturday or Sunday. I'm probably going to share the link on the Facebook.